Regarding po sa mga COPC compliance ng mga SUCs at saka mga LUC graduates, actually they were given until September 9, 2025 to comply yung mga schools, yung government schools. Kasi what I heard is nakapag-apply na po sila, kaya lang hindi pa na-validate or napuntahan ng technical working committee or from CHED. Parang hindi pa napuntahan ng CHED yung mga schools nila to inspect the facilities, so hindi pa nabigyan ng COPC. But we just received an endorsement yesterday from the office of Dr. Maximo C. Alhibe of CHED, CHED Regional Director Alhibe dito sa Region 8.
Yes.
Yung endorsement niya po, naka-attach na po dito yung communication from CHED Chairperson Dr. Prospero de Vera to our Chairperson in Central Office, Honorable Charito Zumora, regarding po ng request ng state universities to allow graduates in various engineering program to process application and to take the licensure exams. So dito po, nabigyan na po ng CHED ng exemptions. So may mga schools, maraming schools na, lahat na yatang schools dito sa Region 8, yung mga graduates sa program ng BS ECE, BS Mechanical Engineering, BS Electrical Engineering, and BS Civil Engineering, graduate po ng Biliran State University, Eastern Samar State University Borongan Campus, Eastern Samar State University Kiwan, EBSO Main dito sa atin, EBSO Ormoc. Yun, marami-raming schools ito. Eastern Visayas, University of Eastern Visayas Campus sa Lawang Campus, sa main campus sa Katarman, Southern Leyte State University, Samar State University, Northwest Samar State University, Visayas State University main campus sa Baybay, at saka sa Isabel. So nabigyan na po sila ng consideration, so inaalaw na po sila makapag-exam. They were dito po kasi sa sulat ng CHED sa PRC, sinabi dito na the commission, or meaning CHED, has set a non-extendable deadline for COPC compliance until September 9, 2025. Therefore, the commission shall no longer, meaning CHED, shall no longer issue an exemption, and programs will be ordered phased out kung hindi makapag-comply. And then, ngayon nga, for humanitarian reasons, and binigyan po ng exemption yung mga graduates na mention ko kanina to take the exams despite na wala pang COPC. So they were given authority to comply. They were given extension to comply and exemption to take the exam. But after September 8, pag hindi pa rin nakakomply, wala na.
Hindi na talaga.
Hindi na sila, hindi na sila mabigyan ng COPC. At saka considered phase out na yung program na ino-offer nila. Based ito po sa sulat ng CHED. Signed dito by Chairman De Vera of CHED. So yun po yung magiging situation ngayon. So meron po sila for humanitarian consideration, and of course considering that itong mga graduates na ito na enroll na prior to the implementation of the special provisions of the 2023 GAA, na all SUCs, LUCs should secure their COPC in all programs offerings. So yun, because of that. Apparently, I don't really know kung ano yung mga lapses, kung may lapses man, no. Pero yun lang, ang narinig ko lang yun na yun nga yung sabi ng mga schools na nakapag-comply naman daw po sila, kaya lang hindi pa daw sila napuntahan ng mga technical working group. I'm not sure about it. para ma-check yung facilities niya. Yun lang daw yun yung reason. So,
Director, ano naman?
I don't know if it's a lapse or whatever kasi that's their arrangement eh. Yung PRC naman kasi is just we were just a partner of CHED to implement this pwede naman silang mag-apply ngayon dahil meron namang exemption from CHED. So focus na lang sila sa pagre-review. Oo, focus na lang sila pagre-review. Kasi yun po, may exemption na eh. So,
Meron na pong ano.
Oo. So I don't think may problema sila ngayon. Initially parang meron, but eventually nabigyan naman po ng solusyon ng CHED. So yun, okay na sila. So at the moment, focus na lang muna sa pagre-review. Klaruhin ko lang na PRC is not actually private kung ano yung reasons, but I just heard from one of the school here na yun po nakapag-apply sila ng COPC, but eventually hindi pa lang sila na-visit ng CHED for the validation of their facilities. Yun lang. Meron po tayong exam sa mechanical ngayong February 17, 18, and 19. Tapos na po yung deadlines, January 19. Tapos, yung ibang engineering courses, matagal pa sa April pa. Yung electronics engineer, April pa. Tapos yung electrical engineers, April din. Civil engineers, April. So, parang wala namang masyadong problema for the others except for the mechanical. Kasi tapos na yung deadline. But I received a letter signed by all SUC presidents in Region 8, endorsed by CHED, Region 8 also, na requesting for the extension. So tingnan lang natin kung ano yung maging action ng commission. Kasi kung i-extend yung sa deadline ng mechanical engineering na dapat January 17, yung mga hindi nakapile, pwede po makapag-file. Oo. Lalo na yung naapektuhan ng nitong issue ng COPC. So hintayin na lang po natin yung magiging decision ng commission. Kung i-extend, then they can still file. Kung hindi naman po, meron naman pong another exam for next semester for them.